If you're an Amazon seller and you want to find the best ways to maximize your Amazon listing, then don't miss this video. In this video, I'm sharing 3 important strategies every Amazon seller needs to know if they want to fully optimize their product listings. Ignoring these strategies can end up costing you in the long run, so make sure you watch this video now to start maximizing your presence on Amazon. But before I jump into it, let me first tell you who I am and what we do at Evolve Media Agency. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Mirella and I'm the marketing director at Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that increase PPC ad performance by boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon, PPC, and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. So if you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com and to view our pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. Tip 1, reoptimize your Amazon listing. Reoptimization is an ongoing process that can significantly improve your Amazon listings conversion performance. Here are some key steps and strategies to consider. It's important to conduct keyword research. Understanding which keywords your target audience uses is vital for optimizing your listing. Utilize tools like Helium 10 to identify relevant keywords and optimize your product title, bullet points, copy within the images, backend keywords, and A+ content copy. You should also analyze competitor listings. Studying successful competitor listings can provide valuable insights. Look for patterns. Identify their strengths, like which keywords they're indexed for, and potentially incorporate them into your own listing. Optimizing product imagery and A+ content is also a crucial step. That's because visual content is essential for driving conversions. Ensure your product images are big brand quality. Showcase different angles and highlight key features. Leverage all modules in the A+ content section to provide additional product information and create a compelling brand story. You also need to be monitoring customer reviews and feedback to identify areas for improvement. Address any negative feedback promptly and consider incorporating constructive feedback into your listing content. Tip 2, find clever ways to maximize Amazon product photos. High-quality product photos are critical for attracting and engaging potential buyers. Here are some tips and tricks on how you can do this. Use professional equipment. Invest in a good camera, tripod, and lighting setup to achieve professional-looking results. Additionally, you'll need to master lighting techniques. Experiment with different lighting setups to highlight your product's features effectively. Always show multiple angles. Display various angles and close-ups of your product to give customers a comprehensive view. Always show hands holding the product. This is a quick and easy way for the shopper to get an idea of how large the product is, since all hands are similar in size. Also, you should consider lifestyle shots. It can be helpful to incorporate these lifestyle images to showcase your product's usage and evoke emotional connections. If you're not using prompts and context, start now. Enhance your product's visual appeal by adding props or contextual elements that complement its purpose. This can really make a difference. You also need to make sure you're focusing on the finer details of the product. This helps to give customers a clear understanding of its quality, which can help save you hassle with future returns and negative ratings. Packaging and accessories need to be on point too. If applicable, feature the packaging and any included accessories to give customers and shoppers a complete representation of what they will get. Make sure you're highlighting the product's benefits before you even mention the features. Showcase your product's unique selling points through visuals such as overlaying text or call-out graphics. Always utilize infographics. You can create super informative infographics to explain complex features or specifications visually. It's also important to maintain consistent branding. Ensure your product photos align with your brand's visual identity for a cohesive look. Don't forget to give the images some SEO attention too. Optimize your image file names and alt image text by using descriptive file names and alt tags to improve search engine visibility. I'd also recommend staying up to date with Amazon's guidelines. Specifically, you should regularly review Amazon's guidelines for product images to make sure you're being compliant. And our third and final tip: don't neglect these considerations for successful Amazon product photography. In addition to capturing visually appealing photos, there are several crucial factors to keep in mind for successful Amazon product photography. First, professional product photographers are key. Hiring a professional product photographer experienced in Amazon listings can yield excellent results. It really makes a world of a difference. Don't skimp out on this step. Next, familiarize yourself with Amazon's image requirements, including dimensions, file formats, and background color guidelines. Additionally, if you have multiple variations, it's better for conversions to have unique images for each variation. So when the shopper has one particular color variation selected, then the images match that color. You should also consider incorporating customer testimonials or social proof elements within your product images in order to build trust. This can be tricky because Amazon may not allow everything you try, so you need to be creative in order to get away with it. It's good to also make sure you're using mobile-friendly images. With a significant portion of Amazon shoppers using mobile devices, like me, you should definitely ensure that your images are optimized for smaller screens. Finally, it's helpful to conduct split testing with different main product images to single out which ones generate the highest click-through rates and conversion rates. And that is all for my 3 strategies to maximize your product listings on Amazon. Optimizing your listing is usually an ongoing process that requires attention to detail on continuous refinement. Through effective re-optimizing, capturing great product photos, and sticking to essential considerations, you can enhance your listing's visibility, engage customers, and drive sales on the Amazon platform. I hope these tips were helpful. If you're looking to start maximizing your Amazon business now, our team at Evolve Media can help. You can get free access to our Amazon listing checklist by going to amzchecklist.com. If you want to book a free consulting call to get a free Amazon listing audit, then go to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.